How are you doing?
Knock it off.
Alright, the Deputy Motor Sheriff's Office letting you know traffic stop is being video and other recorded. Okay, you have your driver's license, registration, for insurance?
I don't have my ID.
You don't have your ID? Tell me, because I have access to motor vehicle data. And we ran your tag, and your tag is suspended.
Oh, shit.
Let me see your registration for insurance. No. Rebecca, you own the car, correct?
Yes, I do. It's my vehicle.
Okay. So your license suspended?
My license is suspended.
Yes. Your license is cancelled because you failed to take your class, so you were supposed to take it.
No, it's not.
That expired. You have your insurance card?
No, that's it.
Any proof of insurance or else?
That is all I fucking have.
Your car is about to be towed if I don't have proof of insurance.
Where are you at? Can you please come? I need you to load your and come. I'm about to get arrested. My license is suspended.
So for a final stop, Kings Highway, and use me.
I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
Step out of the car. It's
For
not a
what reason?
request. It's
For
an
what
order.
reason?
Show me an order.
I'm listening. There is no goddamn reason for me to get out of my goddamn car.
So for a final stop, Kings Highway, and use me.
No.
You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
No. I'm fucking under arrest. Fucking come get me for no fucking reason. Record. Fucking touch me.
And
Ryan, come get me. What the
I don't.
Ryan, no.
I
Record
don't-
this
I
shit.
don't-
Record this.
Everything's recorded.
Come on. Piece
You
of
stay there,
shit.
you'll be arrested. Okay?
You're
She's
dead.
got to chill. She's got to chill. Stop, or you're gonna be thrown on the ground. Stop it. Am I patting?
You are not a woman.
I don't have to be a woman.
I
You scream all you want. I told you everything's being recorded.
Call mom. Fucking go.
No, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You fucking are, you sorry piece of shit. I'm gonna fucking punch you.
You just upgraded from a misdemeanor to a felony.
This is no reason for this.
You put yourself in this situation, not me.
There's no reason for this.
Okay?
For what?
Not stepping out of the car when I told you to do so.
This is I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
No, I do not.
You want to learn.
Hey, roll this window down.
She's good. She's talking to mom. It's the driver that was out of control.
Is in the back of the cop car. I can't send you anything.
Yeah, it's her. She's the problem. I mean, they didn't really do anything. Okay. Get in the car.
Piece of shit. Next.
You might have been going fishing later, but I don't know.
One under arrest. Irate party. Okay. You guys understand what happened?
Why is her stuff suspended?
So she was ordered to take a class. This way. She's in the back of my car now. Her license suspended. She didn't believe it, and then she made a scene out of it. She didn't want to get out the car, so she got assisted. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to let her park in private property. Okay. Because her mom is going to get insurance on. Your mom is going to put insurance on the vehicle right now.
Where's the VIN number on this? Is it this?
Right here.
That's what I thought.
Yes. I'm going to let her park at the gas station. Just make sure that before the vehicle moves, you guys put insurance on it, because driving without insurance is a criminal violation in the state of Florida.
Can I get out for a second?
For what?
Yes, I'm not going to tow the car. I'm going to let her park at the gas station.
You can stand over here.
I love it.
How old are you?
16.
You're 16? Okay. And who's that, your mom or?
That was my grandma. She's on her way.
Oh, okay.
Yes, her tag is good. As a matter of fact, let me check. I don't know. No reason to call me a dick. She put herself in this situation. She would have been...
Smashed her out of the car, and she hit her head and everything.
Listen,
so.
if I asked her to step out of the car multiple times, she doesn't have the right to refuse. It's an order.
You're related to these people?
No.
Friends?
The one that got arrested is my dad's girlfriend.
Okay.
Yeah.
A driver or passenger, anybody, if they get asked to get out of the car, they have to get out of the car, okay? If not, they're assisted. And in this case, I didn't feel like I needed to taste or anything like that. I just pulled her from the car. Any questions? Is she gonna... Okay, well, I didn't take her down, nothing like that. Again, everything's on hand, okay? But again, the only thing she needed to do was to comply, and she would have been let go with a ticket.
She's coming here?
Yeah.
Okay. You're good? Go ahead.
She's saying?
Yeah.
About the dogs.
Whose dogs are they?
My sisters.
They're your sisters?
Yeah, that's what I said. I could take the car back home because we were gonna go pick them up.
Okay. Ma'am, pull off the road. What's that?
So I'm just gonna leave her by herself with a whole bunch of cops.
Yeah, her grandma's coming to get her. She called her grandma. You are free to leave. If you don't leave, you can go too.
Alrighty. On my way. Thank you. Sorry for the mess. Have a good one.
I'm not a big fan of her.
She just didn't want to cooperate, or
No, she
that's how she is?
Yeah.
She been arrested before?
I'm not sure.
If you enjoy videos and want to support my small channel, you can become a Patreon member, where you will get unfiltered videos without watermarks and many more options. The link's waiting for you in the pinned comment. The date was March 19, 2025, and at 3:15 p.m., a Florida deputy spotted a vehicle with a partially obscured license plate. What should have been a minor fix turned into a felony showdown. A quick system check revealed the driver, Rebecca, was operating with a permanently revoked license after failing to complete a mandatory driver improvement course. The confrontation sparked instantly. Rebecca adamantly denied the suspension and became increasingly hostile when the officer discovered the car was also uninsured. Faced with a looming impound, her agitation boiled over. When given a lawful order to exit the vehicle, she flatly refused, forcing the deputy to move in for an arrest. As the struggle began, Rebecca threatened to punch the officer. That single threat instantly escalated her misdemeanor charge to a felony. The deputy later noted that if she had simply complied, she would have walked away with a ticket. Instead, her defiance earned her a ride to jail. Subscribe for more videos and get the latest deep dives into the archives of Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.